Welcome to Learn English with Ibra. Today, I want to remind you of something important. Your English doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be better than yesterday. Learning English takes time, patience, and practice. But every small step you take brings you closer to your goal. Even if you're just beginning, you're already moving forward, and that matters. And now, let's enjoy one of the most powerful and meaningful stories in English. The Lion and the Mouse. This story teaches us a beautiful lesson: no one is too small to make a difference. Kindness always comes back, and help can come from where you least expect it. Just like the mouse, you might feel small or unsure today. But one day, your small steps will lead to big success. So keep learning, stay motivated, and enjoy this story. Are you ready? Let's begin. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support us and stay updated with all our new content. More stories, lessons, and motivation are coming soon. Only here on Learn English with Ibra. The Lion and the Mouse. Once when a lion, the king of the jungle, was asleep, a little mouse began running up and down on him. This soon awakened the lion, who placed his huge paw on the mouse and opened his big jaws to swallow him. "Pardon, O king," cried the little mouse. "Forgive me this time. I shall never repeat it, and I shall never forget your kindness. And who knows, I may be able to do you a good turn one of these days." The lion was so tickled by the idea of the mouse being able to help him that he lifted his paw and let him go. Some time later, a few hunters captured the lion and tied him to a tree. After that they went in search of a wagon to take him to the zoo. Short stories. Just then the little mouse happened to pass by. On seeing the lion's plight, he ran up to him and gnawed away the ropes that bound him, the king of the jungle. "Was I not right?" said the little mouse, very happy to help the lion. Moral: small acts of kindness will be rewarded greatly.